Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant follower request notifications on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the latest way to disable follower request notifications after Instagram's new update. Let's get started and help you enjoy a distraction-free Instagram experience. First, open your browser and head over to Instagram's website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the main Instagram page, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or a silhouette symbol. After clicking your profile icon, a new menu will appear. Here, find and select the option labeled Notifications. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your Instagram notifications. Now, within the Notifications section, look for the Push Notifications option and click on it. This is where you can customize which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your PC. Scroll down until you find the section titled Follower Requests. This setting controls whether or not you get notified when someone requests to follow you. To disable these notifications, simply choose Off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off follower request notifications on Instagram from your PC. From now on, you won't be interrupted by alerts every time someone sends you a follow request. You can now browse, post, and interact on Instagram with fewer distractions and more peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a quieter Instagram experience. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly streamlined Instagram.